Start by sanding your pieces nice and smooth, so the wheel will slide better. To assemble the ornament, apply glue to the inner round. Don't get glue on the wheel. I also use a stapler to make a little extra space for the wheel. But this is not obligated. You can use baby powder or wax to make it slide better or add cardboard. I use a metallic paint marker on the hanger before gluing the front on top of it. Align the hole to the hanger and make sure your rounds align to each other. Use clamps or a heavy item while glue is drying. You can paint your reindeer as you wish, and with whatever you prefer. I use chalk paint from Fleur and a black acrylic pen for the nose from Amazon. If you want to add color to the engraved areas, I fill them with marker and wipe over with my chalk paint again until satisfied. Had I waited for my marker to dry, I could have settled with one coat, but I'm super impatient. If your glue is dry, remove the clamps and start moving the lever until it is sliding as you like. Then glue and layer your reindeer on top as the scored marks indicate. Last but not least, use a paint pen to color those round parts of these that wasn't engraved.